and I'm going to be talking about cloud computing. So cloud computing is used in just about everything nowadays. It's used like almost every day by most people. An example of it would be like Google Drive. So to define cloud computing exactly, it's a network of remote servers hosted on the internet, and you can store, manage, and process data through the internet, also known as the cloud. It's basically like internet-based computing, and with it, data and information is accessible to any device on demand, and you don't have to download any type of software. So the cloud is basically synonymous to the internet because cloud computing is internet-based computing. So this metaphor here says, why buy a whole cow when you just want milk? So that relates to cloud computing because, like, why would you download a whole software when you just want to send an email or share a document? With cloud computing, you don't have to download any type of software or hardware or anything. So here are some examples of cloud computing: Google Drive, emailing, online storage, and use of just about any app. So with Google Drive, you can access any document or file anywhere, anytime with internet access. Multiple users can simultaneously access and edit files. It's like Microsoft Office, but it's all on the internet and free. And like I stated earlier, you don't have to download any software. So this is a timeline that shows the history of cloud computing and how it's developed over time. As you can see at the bottom, there are 3 stages: automation, decision support, and virtual interfaces, and borderless technologies and the virtual world. So this picture here shows different cloud computing applications and databases. There are a lot listed, so you can just read those. There are tons of benefits to cloud computing. It can help with business and schooling efficiency. It's a lot more environmentally friendly because it's a lot more energy efficient. It's cost efficient as well. You get a lot of security from it, and you can recover any of your data or any of your files if your computer crashes while you're using it. Also, you get automatic updates from it, so you don't have to update anything yourself. So cloud computing is really important to business because you can scale up or scale down the bandwidth capacity with ease. And people working in business can share and edit documents together simultaneously. So it makes doing work a lot more efficient. You can do a lot of teamwork projects like a lot more easily. So this picture shows different ways that businesses can use cloud computing to their advantage. They can use it for meetings, when purchasing things, in travel, for human resources, in sales, collaboration, and training. And you can use any device with it. Like you can use your laptop or any PC, any type of PDA or smartphone, or a book reader or a netbook or like a tablet or iPad. So this picture also just shows how it's great for business. It lists 10 different ways that businesses can use cloud computing. They can use it for their supply chain, for sharing information, market responsiveness, to work faster, data gathering, new business models, different ways to employ people, collaboration, scalability, and new ways to motivate employees and managers. Schools can also use it. They can use it to share documents and do assignments together. It saves a lot more paper and it's cost and energy efficient. This picture shows kids in a classroom using cloud computing. So as stated earlier, cloud computing is very cost efficient because it's a lot cheaper than buying hardware or software to use apps or store data or process data. Sometimes there might be a subscription fee, but that's still cheaper than buying the software or hardware. You also get a lot of security, as stated earlier. Lost devices aren't really a problem anymore because you can access the data even if your device is lost, and you can wipe out any cloud information from the lost device. So other people, third parties, won't access your information. It's a lot greener because it uses a lot less electricity. There's less need of IT equipment. You only use the amount of energy that you need. Server capacity scales up or down to fit, and it helps lower people's and companies' carbon footprint. Also, as stated earlier, simultaneous viewing. This makes it doing business a lot more efficient and getting tasks completed a lot more efficient, and it makes teamwork a lot much easier. There are some cons listed here, as you can see, but the pros just simply outweigh the cons. There's just way too many pros to really care too much about the bad aspects of it. Thank you for watching my video.